In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use liquidity pools on UniSwap. We'll walk through creating a position so you can provide liquidity and earn trading fees. First, open the UniSwap app in your browser. On the homepage, switch to the pool section. This is where you manage positions you've already created and where you can start a new one. Select New to begin setting up a fresh position. Next, choose the pair you want to provide liquidity for. Click. Choose token to pick your first asset, then choose the second token in the pair. Take a moment to verify you're on the correct network and that you recognize the tokens. Adding a verified token reduces the risk of selecting the wrong asset. You'll now be asked to select a fee tier. UniSwap offers multiple fee options that reflect how volatile a pair is. Lower fees are common for very stable pairs, while higher fees may be better suited for volatile pairs because trades pay more per swap. Pick the tier that fits the behavior of your pair, then click Continue. You'll see pricing controls for concentrated liquidity. Click Custom Range to define the minimum and maximum prices where your liquidity will be active. By concentrating liquidity, you earn a higher share of fees within your chosen band, but your position stops earning if price moves outside that range. The current price is shown on the chart so you can center your range around it or lean more to one side based on your view. Below, you may see preset price strategies to help you set narrow, balanced, or wider bands. Use these as guides and tweak the numbers as needed. Now set your deposit. In the deposit tokens section, enter how much of one asset you want to provide. The interface will calculate the corresponding amount of the other token based on the current price and your range. Ensure you have enough balance and leave a little extra for gas. If you prefer not to manage a custom band, you can switch to full range. Clicking full range spreads your liquidity across the entire price spectrum, making it simpler, though typically less capital efficient than a tight custom range. That's the core flow. Open UniSwap, head to pool, start a new position, choose your pair, pick the fee tier, set a price range or use full range, and enter your amounts. Keep an eye on network fees, understand the risk of impermanent loss, and revisit your position as market conditions change.